Hello friends, welcome back to Teacher Connie channel. Today we are going to learn about nouns. Do you know what a noun is? Let's find out together. Say yes, Teacher Connie. A noun is a naming word. It's a word that names a person, an animal, a place, or a thing. Example, Teacher Connie is a person, a dog is an animal, a park is a place, a book is a thing. Nouns can be in different groups. 1. People, like teacher, boy, doctor, mom. 2. Animals, like cat, elephant, bird. 3. Places, like school, shop, beach. 4. Things, like ball, chair, pencil. Let's play a game. I'll show you a picture and you tell me the noun. What's the noun? Yes, playground. What's the noun? Yes, cat. What's the noun? Yes, pencil. Let's find the nouns in these sentences. 1. The boy is running in the park. Correct. The nouns are boy and park. 2. The dog is under the table. Well done. The nouns are dog and table. 3. Anna is reading a book. Correct. The nouns are Anna and book. You are doing great. Today we learned that nouns are naming words. They name people, animals, places, and things. Now it's homework time. I want you to try this at home. Are you ready? Write 2 nouns that name people. Write 2 nouns that name animals. Write 2 nouns that name places. Write 2 nouns that name things. When you finish, read your answers to someone at home, like your mom, dad, or a friend. Well done, super learners. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Teacher Connie channel, and share it with your friends. See you next time.